Hello guys, this is Mike from Nitro Speed. Hope y'all doing well. It's a 69 Dodge Charger Daytona. Doing nothing but my Auto Worlds and M2s. These are all muscle cars and just epitome of a muscle car. These are just, beautiful. I was able to get one this weekend and show it to you as soon as I get to it. It'll probably be one of the last ones. But anyway, starting off with a Dodge Charger Daytona, the 69. Gorgeous, gorgeous car. Hood does go up, but I can't seem to get the hood up, but it's okay. Alright guys, let's go to the next one. Bear with me a sec, guys. Next one, 1966 Mercury Comet Cyclone GT. Real beautiful, beautiful casting. It was centered a little better. There we go. Gorgeous casting. I love this. Love the black, red pinstripes. Beautiful car. Love these old muscle cars. I tell you, can never change my mind. Muscle car to a Ferrari or a Porsche, no way. Born and raised on muscle cars. There ain't nothing like them. Alright guys, one more time around. We'll go to the next one. Alright guys, let's go ahead and go to the next one. Next one is 63 Dodge Polara 500 Max Wedge. It's a gorgeous car. Casting is absolutely gorgeous. Original stock version. Open the hood up real quick. As you can see, it's got the Max Wedge engine in it. Gorgeous casting. I really like these old muscle cars, classics. There ain't nothing like them anywhere. Alright guys, go one more full time around. I'll go to the next one. Next one's going to be a 61 Dodge Dart Phoenix. Alright guys, let's go to the next one. There she is. Gorgeous casting. I like this one a lot too. Like my Auto World collection. I have a few in my collection. I really like them. Beautiful color. Love the rims and tires on this thing. Gorgeous car. Open up the hood on this one too. Yep. Oh, it doesn't want to stay up here. Let's see. Yeah, it doesn't want to stay up. There we go. Got it a little bit. May go down on me though. Let's see. Nope. Staying open. There's the engine. Gorgeous casting. I really like this car. I love the color of it. Go one more time around. I'll go to the next one. Okay, guys. One more look at the engine. Alright, guys. Let's go to the next one. Next one's going to be the 64 Plymouth Barracuda. Beautiful casting. I like this Barracuda a lot. I like the body style of it. Also an Auto World. I have several in my collection. Every chance I get one. A little more expensive than Hot Wheels, but the detail on these things are incredible. They're worth the money. Alright guys, let's go one more time around. And we'll go to the next one. Alright guys, almost there. Alright, let's see. Yeah, this one also, the hood went up on this one as well. Okay guys. Next one's an M2, a 1971 Plymouth Cuda. Look, or center, there we go. This one's from AutoZone. I also have the Mustang with that. It'll be the next one. The hood doesn't go up on this one. But that's real nice casting. I like this one a lot too. Yeah, it does look like, let me check here. Nope. Didn't think so. Yeah, the hood doesn't come up, so it's alright. Beautiful casting. I really like this one. The 71 Plymouth Cuda. Alright guys, go one more time around. I'm already on 8 minutes. I got 9 more cars to go. It's going to be kind of a long video. Alright guys, let's go to the next one. Go to the Mustang now. It's a 66, I believe. Yeah, 60. It's a Ford Mustang, I know that, so I can tell. Looks like about 66. It's also from the AutoZone. I got this in the set. This is a gorgeous casting as well. Like the black and the orange. Love the detail on this thing. Is awesome. Real nice casting. It's not dark tinted windows. Almost blacked out. Alright guys, one more time around. Go to the next one. Alright guys. That's a second one. The AutoZone, that was the last one there. Next one, 71 Plymouth Cuda as well. Yeah, the hood doesn't go up on this one. This one's more like a Pro Stock, or a, yeah, pretty much. Real nice casting as well. I love the detail on this one as well. Love the colors too. The black, red, and white on this are beautiful. Real nice casting. It's like a pro comp car, not pro stock. Pro stocks are more aerodynamic. Alright guys, go to driver's side. Go to the next one. I'm already on 10.5 minutes, so alright guys. Next one's the Roadrunner. 68 Plymouth Roadrunner. This one's gorgeous. Love this one. Love the old Roadrunners. Real nice. Love the body style on these things. Are nice. Really starting to get into the Mopar Dodge cars. I really like the Roadrunners and the Cudas. Really nice casting on these. Love the rims. Alright guys, one more time around. We'll go to the next one. I'm already on 11.5 minutes. Want to really get rolling on this. We still got 6 more left. I'm gonna take it about 17 or 18 minutes. Alright guys. Next one, 66 Dodge Charger. Another real nice casting. I love the body style on this one too. A lot like the Cudas. Love the color on this. It's real nice. Got the vinyl black top on there. Yeah, the hood doesn't open on this one. Or the doors. Still a nice looking casting. It's an M2. Hey guys, one more time around. We'll go to the next one. Alright guys. Next one. '71 Dodge Charger 383. Another nice casting. Like the green with the white vinyl top. Gorgeous, gorgeous casting. Let me see if the hood opens up. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, it sure does. There we go, guys. Take a look at the engine. Whoops, I moved it over a little bit. There we go. Doors open on this thing too. 71 Dodge Charger 383. It's got the old Krager rims on it. That's what it looks like. Gorgeous casting. I really like it. Alright guys, one more time around. I'll go to the next one. Got 4 left. Okay. Alright guys, let's go to the next 4. Next one, 71 Plymouth Cuda. This one's gorgeous, gorgeous car. So much detail on this. Is absolutely gorgeous car. Very fast too. A lot of horsies in this one. See if the hood opens. I'm pretty sure. Yep, sure does. Whoops. Alright guys, there's the engine on that one. Love the color on this. A whole bunch. Gorgeous casting. Alright guys, let's go to the next one. Got 3 left. 70 Dodge Challenger. This is actually a Hot Wheel. It's the only Hot Wheel one I have in this collection. But it's got a whole lot of detail to it. Gorgeous, gorgeous car. Dodge Challenger. I like this one a lot. Love the color. Really love showing these off. They're real nice castings. Alright guys, one more full time around. Then we'll go to the last 2. Ain't nothing like the American Muscle. Alright guys, next one. 71 Dodge Swinger GT. This one's another real nice casting. Hood does go up on this one, so hold on guys, I'll go ahead and bring the hood up on this one. This one's real nice too. Real nice casting. Hood goes way up on this one. It's the only one that goes up that high and stays up. Gorgeous, gorgeous casting. Okay guys, go down on this one, let it go one more time around, go to the last one. It's the one I got yesterday. Alright guys, last one of the night. This one is a 71 Dodge Dart GT. It's like a bronze color. The package here, yeah, it's dark bronze poly. Yeah, this one's gorgeous casting. I really like this a lot too. Only 2 Auto Worlds on the shelf. Hardly anything else. I only able to get 2 cars last night, so that one's just absolutely gorgeous casting. Let's go check out the, see if the hood opens. Yep, sure does. There's the engine right there, it's blue. Real nice casting. I love this car. Alright guys, we're going on almost on 19 minutes, so I'm going to go ahead and cut this video right now. I'm doing way better. Go to the doctor's Monday and find out I've been getting my machine because I was denied the first time, so I must have this machine for my sleep apnea. If I don't get this machine, I can end up having a heart attack or a stroke. I sure don't want that. I got a long life to live, so anyway guys, I gotta go see if I can get my machine. I can order it through my doctor and the pharmacy, so alright guys, hope your day was good. Drag races are here in town. The Winter Nationals, the 60th anniversary of the Winter NHRA Winter Nationals here in Pomona, California. So, got my DirecTV on record for tomorrow. So, guys, hope your day is well. Take care of yourselves, be good to each other, and be well. This is Mike from Nitro Speed. I'm out of here. See ya.